A very sweet good morning, dear children. Welcome in SST class. Children, as you know, reading of chapter number 4, The Great Indian Desert, that is going on. And in my previous videos, I told you about what is desert, what is the meaning of an oasis, what are sand dunes, what is the meaning of Karwa, and I also told you about the climate of Great Indian Desert, or you can say Thar Desert. The desert has an extreme climate where very high temperature in the summer and dropping to the very low temperature in the winter. In summer, days are hotter than the nights. Okay, this is because sand gets hotter during day very quickly. Okay, and cools down faster at night. So it's clear about the climate. And you know that Great Indian Desert is located in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, and I also told you about few new terms. Okay, what is the meaning of desert? It's a hot and dry region with sandy soil and very little rainfall and very little vegetation. What are sand dunes? Low hills of sand. Low hills of sand are called sand dunes. What is an oasis? Oasis is an area in the hot and dry desert where underground water comes to surface through a spring. That is an oasis. I showed you the model also. Today again I'll show you. Okay. And Karwa, a group of camel moving across the desert. That is called Karwa. Okay, children. So today we'll discuss more about desert region. Okay, so let's start reading. So children, you can see this is a model of an oasis. Okay, before that, I'm telling you again that what is desert? A desert is an area with loose sand and hot and dry climate. And this is the model of an oasis. Here an area in the hot and dry desert. Okay, where you find groundwater. You can see groundwater and plants here. Okay. So, this is the model of an oasis. So, today we are going to read about page number 30. Open your books. Page number 30, everybody. Okay. So, let's read about page number 30. Camels play an integral part. Integral means necessary, essential part in the life of the people of desert. They are the most suitable animals for traveling across the desert. That's why they are called sheep of the desert. Okay. It's the most important animal in this area. It can live without water, food for many days, and it can walk easily on sand. Okay. And the people traveling on camels in groups, that is called a karwa. Okay. And the camel is popularly called the sheep of the desert. It is used for pulling carts, plowing the fields, and also as a beast of burden. Its milk and meat is used as food. And you know, its skin is used for making tents and hair for making clothes and carpets. Very useful animal. Which animal? This animal. You can see this animal. Okay. What is this animal? Camel. So clear? So now, they can live without water for many days, okay, and their padded feet enable them to walk in the sand easily. Camels also called the sheep of the desert. It's a very useful animal in the desert region. So clear? So now you will read about, do you know? The Siberian crane, it's a bird, is a much awaited winter visitor to the Keoladeo Ghana National Park in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Every year, this endangered bird comes to India to escape the extreme winter of Siberia. Extreme winter होती है साइबेरिया में, वहाँ से साइबेरियन क्रेन यहाँ आते हैं भरतपुर में, राजस्थान में नेशनल पार्क है वहाँ पे. Okay, so now people of Rajasthan are highly skilled in handicrafts like stone work, tie and dye, embroidery, bidri work होता है stone carving, stone work होता है, jewelry making, etc. Their handicraft products. Fetch means bring करते हैं. A large income to our country through export. Export means sale करना उसको, means sold and taken out of a country. Okay, export करते हैं. Okay, sale करते हैं हम लोग. A colorful and rich culture prevails in the desert region. Rajasthan have a great passion for music and dance also. So you can see here, okay, it's a pic of people of Rajasthan wearing beautiful clothes, colorful clothes. You know, Rajasthan को हम colorful state भी बोलते हैं. It's a colorful state, and the reason is because यहाँ पे लोग जो हैं different colors, बहुत dark colors के clothes पहनते हैं. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, now in Rajasthan, men wear dhotis, kurtas and colorful turbans. Turbans, you know ना, सर पे पहनते हैं turban. You can see the pic also of turban. Women wear bright colored dresses called ghagra and cholis with odhnis. Both men and women cover their heads to protect themselves from the scorching sun. Jainism and Hinduism are the major religions of the people of राजस्थान. सो मेनली जो फॉलो करते हैं वो रिलीजन्स को वहां के लोग, दैट इज जैनिज्म एंड हिंदुज्म. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स अ फोक डांस. लेडीज दे आर डांसिंग घूमर डांस, अ फोक डांस. ओके, यू कैन सी. नाउ द पीपल ऑफ राजस्थान स्पीक राजस्थानी. उनकी क्या है लैंग्वेज? राजस्थानी. एंड कालबेलिया, चारी, घूमर, फार, कच्ची घोड़ी आर सम ऑफ द फोक डांसेस ऑफ राजस्थान. यहाँ की बहुत फेमस फोक डांसेस हैं राजस्थान के. दीज आर द नेम्स, यू जस्ट कीप इन माइंड. इट कैन कम इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. यू जस्ट राइट 2 फोक डांसेस ऑफ राजस्थान. तीज, उर्स, गंगौर मेला, पुष्कर मेला and the cattle fair are important festivals of Rajasthan. A large number of tourists from all over the world visit Rajasthan every year. So you can see famous monument. Jaisalmer is one of the largest forts in the world. So this is okay. So I'm telling you about main festivals जो यहाँ celebrate होते हैं. That is Holi, Teej, Diwali, Eid, Dashera. And desert festival, camel festival, as I told you, Pushkar fair, Urs fair, ये popular fairs हैं यहाँ के और festivals हैं राजस्थान के. Okay, and this region has number of forts and palaces as it has been ruled by Rajput kings, and wildlife sanctuaries also present here. Ranthambore and Bharatpur wildlife sanctuaries also here. Owing to these attractions, tourism is an important industry here. यहाँ की एक important industry जो है that is tourism. And you know, most families in the Thar desert follow joint family system. Okay, and it's clear. It's all about chapter number 4. So children, you have to read this chapter very carefully. Okay children, have a wonderful time.